Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I've done a video almost kind of like this, but I found probably a neater way to show it off or describe it. I've got a page full of text, and I just wrote out text, and they're all different text. Well, they're all the same word, copied over, duplicate over. And I want to change all the text to bold. I've changed my mind. Well, if you select them all, or let's say you want to make them red, then you made everything red. But you can double click on the text tool box and it will just select your text. And then your text is red and everything else is not. But let's say, all right, I want all the text in the middle. You can take these texts, hold down the shift key, let's say, and then grab these texts and group them together with Control G. Now you can double click on the text tool and it will not select them. It will only select the ones that are not grouped. That's a pretty handy tool when you're doing some things. If you wanted to change them, let's just make them 125. And you made all that text you wanted smaller, but you left the other text the same. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.